This might be it.
Spinz. Spinz.
Ooh, quick bonus. All right. Now let's hope it pays 100 euros. With the worst possible symbol though, so we need a quick re-trigger to get more symbols. Come on. We need a re-trigger on this one. Badly. Come on. Yes, okay. Now give us also a good symbol, not only the tenor. Like something good. Alright, that is decent. Okay, come on, we need 1,000 coins here. Still have 10 spins left. We kinda need another retrigger, I think. Or maybe not. This should give like, what, 30 euros? Right. We need them. Oh, one more of these would have done it. Okay. We are getting closer. We still have 6 spins and we need another 350 coins. This might be it. This might be the first 100x. We need another... How much? We need another 190 coins in 5 spins. I think we can easily do it actually. As long as we just don't bust now. 80 coins, come on. 70 coins. Yes! Okay, this will be the one. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. This will be 100 euros for sure. So definitely 100x here. Yep, we got it. We got it already. So guaranteed 10 spins already. And this might even... What? What? No way, bro. No way. No freaking way. Best symbol as well. This could get pretty rowdy. So many spins left. Alright. Okay. Alright, okay. We're not hitting anything big, but we still have a lot of spins left. Okay, first tens, I think those two we had 2 of those. And 2 of those. Okay. 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 Let's go. Another retrigger would have been massive. 4 queens. Okay. Alright. Let's go. Let's go. That is a big win. No way. Full screen bird. No. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Yes, bro. Oh my god. That is already almost 800 euros. No way. That is way more than 100x. 4 queens again. What is going on? 800 euros already. 4 queens again and 3 tens. Damn, man. That is the biggest win I have had on this game so far. Whew. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Oh, we got another one of these dudes. Come on. Keep it coming. Whew. That is dope. Let's go. Let's go, my man. That's the one. Oh, imagine. Or tens though. Yes, boy. Spins, bro. Let's go. Here we go. Quick 900 euros. Yes, sir. Oh. That was a good one. That was a good one.
Spinz. Spinz.